I just got this new Vulcan helmet, and when you get it, the battery's not installed. It comes in a little bag like this. To install the battery, just gotta do this. Pull this out. Then you go to this side. And you're gonna go like this. While you're holding it, you're gonna go down on these. And you're gonna press this upward. As you see, those little tabs there hold the filter in place. So you're gonna wanna press it downward like that while you push up. And that's where the battery goes, right in there. Then you make sure the positive side of the battery is facing the control side where it's got all the buttons. And you just slide it in. Then to press it in, you gotta pull back a little bit. Probably gonna need both hands for this again. Maybe not. That works good. Now we just install it in the helmet. Slide these two in there. Drop that down. And you're ready to weld. After you get your shade and everything all set up. Sensitivity. Let's turn that up a bit. Design. Got the weld mode on, and then you can switch it to grind mode. Shade 9 through 13, 5 through 8. There it is. You got all your adjustments up here. It's real nice. Another adjustment right here. And another one right there. Nice cushion for your forehead. It's a good helmet. This is my second one. I like it. It works good. Highly recommend it.